So I'm going to show you how to hide your contact phone number on your OnePlus 15. So if you already have a contact saved on your phone, then you can hide the phone number when they're calling you. So on that incoming call screen, or when you're making the call, or maybe when you're looking at your call log, the number can be hidden so that you only see the name of that person. Unless you really want to check the number, then you can go into the icon. You can go and check inside that contact information. So to do that, you want to go into the phone app. So just tap on that phone app and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select settings. Under settings, you want to go to more settings, and then you should see the option to hide contact phone numbers. So enable that. And so now whenever you're making a call to someone, or someone is calling you and you have that contact saved, it doesn't display that person's phone number there. Thanks for watching and good luck.